example of the globalized product? Yes, Donna.
McDonald's.
Okay. Yes, Jen.
Coca-Cola.
Okay. Donna.
Disney products.
KitKat.
Okay, very good class. Kit, would you like to add sinabi nila?
Magic sarap?
Nakikinig ka ba?
Oo, hindi lang ako focus.
All of your answers are correct, but Kit, magic syrup is not widely used. So therefore, it is not a globalized product.
Hi bro. Basta, parang matambling mo. Wala akong stewards mo. Try mo to. And let the magic happen.
Sarap!
Sabi ko sa'yo eh, let the magic happen. This is not my secret.
Got so far to go. When you feel that heat, and we gonna ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna rock with you all night, dance you in the sunlight. I wanna rock with you all night. We gonna rock the night away.
You will never know unless you buy it. KitKat. Satisfy your potential, satisfy your hunger. Hungry? You're lost when you're hungry. Grab a KitKat and let the magic happen.